Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to apply page 2 color gradient in publisher document. So get it started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show apply page 2 color gradient. Now go to the page design option. Now go to the background option. Then click for a more background. Then click for a gradient fill option. Now select from a gradient stroke option. Now select from a color. Now click for a color option, then choose color. Now click for a OK. That it's. Then you show apply page to color in gradient. Then again the apply to color gradient. Now going to the background option, then click for a more background option, then click for a first option. Now click for color option, then choose from green color. Now click for OK. That is. Then you show apply page to color gradient in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.